Hello everyone, it's Felix from Felonzo Marketing, and today I want to show you a very easy and simple way of finishing your Yoonla setup so that you can become a member and start earning. Yoonla is currently the leading CPA program for making money online, and it has its top affiliates making over $10,000 monthly. So that is a decent amount of money to make, and today I want to show you how to become a member, start earning, and you never know, one day you might start making 10,000 monthly as well, or even more. So when you sign up for Yoonla, you'll find yourself in such a page. Most people, whenever they find themselves here, they get confused. They don't know what to do next. So don't worry, today I'm here to solve that. I will tell you exactly how to proceed, how to finish your setup and become a Yoonla member. So there are basically two ways of finishing Yoonla setup. The first way is coming under Evolve Starter and finding 7 steps and finishing the 7 steps. The second way is coming over here to the yellow ribbon and claiming your free priority setup. The first way is quite long and most people find it cumbersome, especially those people who are not computer savvy. And that's why there's a second way to finish your setup. It's quite easy. It's for those who find it difficult finishing step 1 all the way to step 7, and I recommend that you come to the yellow ribbon and you claim your free priority setup. It's very popular. People around the world are claiming their free priority setup hour after hour. As you can see, someone from Cairo just claimed their free setup. So it's a very popular way of finishing your Yoonla setup. So when you find yourself in such a page, ignore these steps. They're very long and cumbersome. And there's an easier way of doing that, of claiming your free priority setup and elite upgrade. It's valued at $297, though currently Yoonla is doing it for free of charge to its members. So take this opportunity. All you have to do is that you'll have to acquire some tools that Yoonla will use in setting up your account. It's as easy and as basic as that. Let's get started. So once you find yourself on such a page, click on this yellow ribbon. When you do that, a video will appear. Let me pause that video for now. A video will appear, and below the video there are 3 steps that you should finish. 3 steps. So there is step 1 up to step 3. As you've noticed already, it has 3 steps, while this one has 7 steps. So this one is easier to finish. You might ask yourself, why is this video here? This video is here to purposefully help you finish step 1 to step 7. It will guide you systematically on what to do in each step of the way. So it is here to guide you. Once you find yourself here, the first thing that you have to do is that you have to finish watching this video. It's just 12 minutes, so it's not long. I'm going to take you through step 1 to step 3. Though the video is here, I just want to take you so that you can get an overview of what to expect. Step 1, basically, it's about setting up your automation and autoresponder account with GetResponse. This account is very important because once you're quiet, you will set up your email automation, and you'll be sending out email automatically and earning even more revenue from that. So it is very easy, it's very straightforward. It's a tool that every marketer is using nowadays. You will set it up, and once you set it up, it will be sending out emails automatically. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to send it manually, and with that you will earn higher commission. So that is why it is important that you have the GetResponse account. It will increase your commission levels, and you never know, you might end up earning $10,000 like the top affiliate. So let's click on it and see what it entails. It's quite easy to set up, so let me just show you what it involves. Let my page load. Internet is not as fast as I thought. Okay, here we are. I urge you to choose this one, the cheapest one. It will work. Just click on continue to get to the next step. Let's wait. So the next step is very basic. All you have to do is finish your account details. You put your email, password, name, and all that. The next one is the billing details and payment options, and then you just check out, you create your account. So it's as basic as that. And if you don't understand, maybe I'm going too fast, the video is here and it will guide you on how to do that. The video is here, so don't worry if I've gone too fast. The video is here, it will show you exactly what to do in each step. So step 2 is about setting up your Yahoo small business hosting account. Why do we need this one? Okay, nowadays every online business requires a website that you can drive your traffic through. So Yoonla will use Yahoo small business hosting account to set up your website for you. So it's as simple as that, and that's why this tool is very, very, very important. Without it, you won't have your Yoonla website and you won't have your Yoonla account. So let me show you how to proceed and create your Yahoo hosting account. Let us wait for it to load. Okay, you'll get yourself in such a page. When you do that, you click on choose. Choose the advanced plan. Don't choose the basic because it doesn't have certain components that Yoonla uses in setting up your account. The premium is expensive, you don't need that one. So choose the advanced plan. So let's wait for it to load. My internet today is not that slow. And then next we come and set up our domain. So choose a simple and professional domain at the same time. Let's say you are called Caleb, or you want to include your name in your domain. So just come and search www.calebonlinebiz.com and make sure you end your domain with the word.com. Yoonla prefers the .com. Don't use .us or those other dots. Don't use those ones. Just use .com only. Then come and search to see if it's available. If someone else is using calebonline.biz, we'll have to choose another name. But if someone is not using it, we can buy it. So here it is. It's available. So you click on buy. Then it will be added to your cart. Click continue. So it's very easy to set up. The video will also help you if maybe you don't understand and maybe I'm going too fast, so don't worry about that. So here's our cart. When you get here, remove the private domain registration. You don't need that. Currently the coupon code we are using to get a discount is special, so just type special, then click apply. And yes, as you can see, the price comes down to $53, so which is quite manageable. If you add to the autoresponder is $15, that is $60, and with that you shall have started your online business with Yoonla and you'll be earning tons and tons of commission. So you'll come and click proceed to checkout. I won't do that because I already have an account, but you'll come and click proceed to checkout. Then if you don't understand, you will come and watch this video. It will guide you on how to finish that setup. The last part is step 3. Step 3 is very simple. You just be filling in a basic form with your name and other details. So this is the form I'm talking about. Just name, email, Yahoo small business domain name. So these ones you shall get them when you finish step 1 and step 2, so don't worry. And also when you hover around a subject, to the right there's a description that guides you on what to put there, so don't worry. To the right there's a box that appears telling you what to do, so even here, so on and so forth. The last part requires that you put referrer affiliate ID. It's very important that you put a referrer affiliate ID because you need someone to guide you, someone to show you what to do while you're starting, because at first while you're starting things might not be clear to you. So you need someone to help you and show you what to do. So please put my referrer affiliate ID. This is my referrer affiliate ID over here. So just put this ID. When you do that, when you put this referrer affiliate ID, you'll be in my team and I will guide you. When you finish all the details, you will click agree. Then you submit your request custom setup, and with that you shall have created your Yoonla Evolve account, and you'll be ready to earn and make tons and tons of commissions. Let me take you to my Yoonla account so that you can see my account. So here's my Yoonla account. As you can see, I make unlimited $4 and $2, from every single country of the world, because Yoonla is available in every single country of the world. I also get $30 when someone upgrades and become a Yoonla VIP member. Currently, I have $868 in pending commissions. These will be approved, and once approved, I will have the money in my account. So guys, thanks for watching. Just drop a comment below if you need if you have a question or you seek a clarification. Just drop a comment below. And if you haven't registered for Yoonla already, there's a link at the description box below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thank you, and see you on the inside. Bye bye.